Hey there, in this quick video I want to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue with the Serenelife if it's not working and not cooling. So what you can try to do first is you can reset the circuit breaker on the AC core. This is the first thing that you can try to do. The second thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work, I don't know, is just like plug it out for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after 10-15 minutes you want to plug it back in. So this is another thing that you can possibly try, or even like maybe use a different outlet, who knows, or don't use the extension. So this is something that you can possibly try, that it just needs more power, because when I looked on reviews also on Amazon, and there are like plenty of negative reviews about this product, and it is like a faulty. So I'm just throwing these ideas out there. Maybe some of it is going to help you. I hope it does. When you're gonna like turn it off for 15 minutes then turn it back on, and if not, I'm sorry. I really looked into it on how it's possible to fix, but there just isn't a thing there, right? It's just like even the menu is just not that great, to be honest. So have a great day and goodbye.